Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at what the next mythical epic is going to look like, so let's get into the video. Alright, so last night Prodigy finally updated the mythical epics tab on their website after a very long time. So now we have Solar Glimmerwing and the silhouette of what the next mythical epic is going to look like. I still do think that it's going to be Arcturion, and this does show that this is definitely going to be a mythical epic. So as you can see, we have some twigs up here. There's some twigs right here. Right here, there's like sort of a shield, which you can see right here. There's sort of like a cannonball thing, which is this thing. And then I'm assuming this is what it will do, like if it's doing an attack animation. We have the claws at the bottom, which you can see right here. And then there's not really much other stuff to look at. But there is no icon or full hero pose image of it yet. And I have a theory for why we don't see that yet. Alright, so ignoring the fact that my screen recorder thing is super big, as you can see, this is sort of pixelated, which kind of gives me the idea that this is not fully done yet, and they are still working on the design, which is why we don't have an icon or a full hero pose yet. So I think this is going to be a pretty cool mythical epic. A lot of people also seem to think that it will be cool. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.